Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and exposing the suspension. Use wheel chocks and the handbrake so the car can't roll. Loosen the lug nuts before jacking. Raise the front with a rated jack and place jack stands under the subframe. This protects you while you work. Once done, remove the wheel to reveal the sway bar and end link. You're doing this to get clear access and avoid straining the suspension when you unbolt the link. You'll now separate the old link from the sway bar and control arm. Spray penetrating oil and give it a few minutes to soak. That reduces the chance of rounding nuts. Use the correct sockets and hold the stud with an Allen key or hex bit if it spins. Once the nuts break loose, back them off and pull the link straight out. Wiggle it if seized. Make sure to inspect bushings and ball joints so you know why the old link failed. You install the replacement link by positioning it through the sway bar and control arm, aligning any tapered seats. Hand thread both nuts first so threads seat correctly, then tighten to the vehicle's torque spec using a torque wrench. This prevents overstressing the stud. Lower the car, torque the wheel, and perform a slow test drive that includes slow turns and bumps. If you hear clunks or feel looseness, stop and recheck torque and seating. A loose link causes noise and unstable handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.